Alright, we're out here at Jim's house. Here are his 2 units in the basement. We got our Linux unit that serves the first floor. This is currently a 5-ton air conditioning system. Goes up to our ductwork here. Humidifiers are actually in good shape. They're not producing enough humidity, so I'm going to give him the option to upgrade to power. Here's our second floor furnace. It is currently a 2.5 ton. That's our system. Our lines, they go up and out. As you can see, there's a bracket. There's a bracket. New units will be set on the ground on pads. I'll give you the back side. Does have a walkout. He was thinking about actually relocating them about 20 foot down or so, kind of around that where that bike is right there. So I will be giving him the option to do that as well.